Welcome to Catherine the Paint. Today we are going to do some coasters. We're using our KS resin and the Sakura Magic Purple. I have put down some amethyst that I got from Amazon. It's real amethyst stones. So now I am just putting down some clear resin. And have already mixed up some purple, but I'm going to put down the clear on top of the stones in the middle and at the edges. So not kind of at the edges, but it's kind of in the middle. I made a ring a little out from the edge. So I'm covering all the stones so that when I put that purple down, it'll have purple in the middle, but kind of clear around the stones, so that you can see them better. The last time I used these stones, you couldn't hardly see them. I made little geodes, but you couldn't see the stones very much because I used purple resin. So it was all like purple on purple. Wasn't the best idea. So now I'm just filling in the other areas with the purple. Adding some more clear. So I'm just going to go back and forth doing clear and then purple and clear and purple. And I've got to fill these coasters molds up to the top. So once I get it almost filled, I like to use my heat gun. So I'll be doing that in just a second. So I recommend using a heat gun and not a torch with these silicone molds because you can damage them with the torch. So when you use the heat gun, it moves the resin around a little bit and helps create the patterns between the clear and the purple. Now I'm just using this little silicone stick that I got from Island Micas and More. It has like little hands, and so it makes it swirl good. So, and also helps you get like in tight spaces and stuff. I really like these stir sticks. They're really good. So all right, now I'm putting a little more resin in there. Just want it completely full. When you don't get it quite full, it makes a little lip around the edge with these molds, I have noticed, and I really don't like that. So I really like to get them completely full. There is a little noise in the background here, so sorry about that. So here's the heat gun. Just getting out the bubbles. It's really tricky with the stones to get the bubbles out. I was also displacing some of those with that stir stick. So, all right, well, we are about done. So I think it's time to demold these babies. Okay, I am back, and these are ready to be demolded. I'm always excited when this part happens. All right, there they are. Let me bring you in for a close-up. All right, let's bring you in for a close-up. I really love this purple color. It's so pretty. And I love the clear, the contrast and the interest that makes. These are so fun. I like that they have the amethyst in the middle and a line. Very cool. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Be inspired.